Hello everyone, let's just start our reading training with me today. Now this is the homework that you can see quite often in your actual game. Now Black must kill this white group. Many of them, when they try to capture this group, I saw this move quite often. And they might hope when white has played here, that black can just push and just trade here. But the point is, when you push here, the white is gonna play Hane here. Then became black can't make anything. So now if you attach here, then we can't capture this white group. Of course, if white is just blocked here, then black can make the ko. Yeah, but even ko is not the best answer. So let me tell you the pattern for this situation. You must play the Hane first, and the white has to block. And then you can invade here. This is gonna be the correct answer. If white just answer, he has to make it bigger. Then now you don't have to touch anything, then just you can try to stretch from the outside. Then now white can't just connect, and even though white just connect, we can capture. Even though cannot capture, we can give the 3 stones to white. So now if white just capture this 1 stone, then you can throw in 1 more stone here, and then break this eye. In case, if you red, even you just play here, then this is working in this situation. But sometimes if the outside, the white can do something else, then I can't say this is the best order. But in this situation, this even works. Yeah, just like the even white answer, then you can Hane 1 time, and then you can stretch. The main point is you must exchange the Hane. Because if you skip this one, then white is just going to answer. Then when you Hane now, the white can capture. Then they are 2 eyes. Then even though you just throw in here, the white can capture this 1 stone. Then now we couldn't make this exchange, so became white can arrived. So now white can be arrived. Sorry. So now the main point is that you just need to Hane. And if I just give you one more tip, in case if white has a 1 Hane here, then this is impossible to capture. Because when you want to make white groups, white shape smaller, then white is not gonna capture this 1 stone. White can even just make the 1 eye, so white can get 1 more eye. The better way to make the more territory is here. White can stretch. If black capture, then now white can make 4 point. So black's best answer should be stretch here first. Then when wait for this move, then you can capture. This is gonna be best answer. So I can say if white has this exchange, then there is no method to capture. So now you can always capture if there is no exchange. You can press from outside. Yeah, this is quite famous life and death. Okay, then let's check it out. Today's training. The shape is super big. Now they are having the capturing race. So, but it doesn't mean this is difficult. Just is a big problem, but now the big question, but it doesn't mean it's hard. Now black is in danger, so we have to capture this white group. And there are many ways to think. What is your first feeling? Most of the time when you have a capturing race, you can't press from inside. Just like if you play from inside, the white can just connect. Normally inside pressing can make your liberty less by yourself. Even though you press from outside, the white is faster. So, but this is a basic pattern. Sometimes, of course, you can play even inside as well. It depends on situation. And you can easily think about throwing 1 stone here, the white is going to capture. And black has 2 choices. If you just decide to Atari, the white can make the ko. Do you like the ko? I don't really like, because we have a better move than ko. And if you think to press from here, but now it doesn't work anything. The white can just capture the black. So now it's not working. So what you have to do is that you have to just break this eye. Make this become 4th eye. Then you can press from outside first and make him to answer. However, he has to try to make the eye. And then you can throw... Oh, sorry. Throwing is not good. Is my mistake. If you throw, then it's gonna be seki, or it's gonna be the 1-step ko. So now instead of throw 1 stone here, normally we get to throw in inside because it's our habit when we break this eye. Now we just need to press from this way because white can't really connect, then black can capture. So now white must capture this 1 stone, then black can capture here. Black has an eye, the white doesn't have any eye. So now the white is responsible to start to press from here, but now black doesn't have to do that. So now white is captured. So now the correct answer is that you are just playing from outside. Even though white just tried to make the one eye, then you can just connect here one time. Then white can't respond anything. Sorry about it, sometimes my baby is keep making the big sound. Please understand about it. I have no method to cover about that. Okay, now the second questions for today is this one. Now the black two groups are in danger, but you know, somehow we can't save these 3 stones. So now you don't have to really save that. Just if you can save this 5 stone, that's called that is quite successful. So now, however, we have to capture the white stones if you want to save this group. You know, of course, we can't just move like this. After this, even though we try to make less liberty, the white is faster. And what about another way? If we just try to touch these 3 stones, something like this, you know, somehow it doesn't work too. And now if black just try to throw it here, then also it's not possible. When we touch here, the white can just press from outside. So now it's nothing. So what about another one? Here. Actually, this is a better idea. Just somehow if white just connect, then black can just make here. But if white just has played here, then this is gonna be the call. But white has a better move, just white can press from outside. Then we can't save these 4 stones. So this is not gonna work. Then what can black do then? At the first, we shouldn't touch these 3 stones, and then we can just invade here and make him to capture our group. And then, you know, you are not gonna play something like this, right? You just need to throw here one more time and make him to capture, and then you can Atari. Then white must give up these 3 stones. It doesn't work. And white to give up, and then you can just capture. So now we can save this group perfectly. There is something else. Which way is available? What if white just Atari here? Then you can just connect. This is kind of a trick, you know. And well, you shouldn't touch anything. If you touch that, this is a became bad exchange. White can capture the black. So now you shouldn't exchange anything, and you just need to connect. You know, if white pushed here, then you are not gonna play this exchange. You will just connect here. That is the reason why we shouldn't touch anything. Even though white just want to kill, the black can just follow up. Then when he saved, then we can connect. When you want to cut, then you can capture. When you want to make the snap back, then we are not going to capture this one. We can just capture these 3 stones. So now it's working. So now, yeah. Other than this, this one, yeah. Then you can just answer. When you capture, then even you don't have to throw the 1 stone away. Then you can just Atari here. Yeah. So now main point is that you shouldn't touch anything. Yeah, we shouldn't exchange it first. Okay, next question. Okay, now black is in danger, so we have to save with the capturing of the white. And when I give this question, then many students fail because we want to throw this 1 stone away. This is our pattern. Normally we get to follow the pattern. Then you shouldn't stop to read. You have to continue to read how white is gonna play, and then when I just push, then white can push and cut. So even the black just Atari here, the white can capture. So now we can't even make the 1 eye. So now it doesn't work. Then what can black do then? However, you know, we have to break white eye shape first. So now we have to break here. After this, the main point is we shouldn't throw 1 stone inside. We shouldn't throw in. If you throw in, then we can't have any eyes. So now you just need to press from outside. And you know, if white really can't play here, then you can just capture. So now white is supposed to capture the 1 stone, and then you can capture. Then now white can't save these 2 stones, so you can get 2 eyes. This is not like there are not many ways. Just you must think about here. After that, just the question is asking you whether you want to throw 1 stone inside or not. So now in this situation, you shouldn't throw the 1 stone. Yeah. Okay, so now this is nothing difficult. Just you had to read it 2 ways, right? Yeah. But just why I prepared this question, we get to follow the habit and feeling. So please add your reading. Yeah. Okay, the last question is for your homework. So this one. Of course, I made the homework a little bit harder than other question. Compared to other question, of course, it should be a little bit harder. But I believe that you can just solve it Yeah, if you read enough time, then I guess you can solve it. Make sure always just like the why we are doing is not like we are just searching the correct solution. What you are going to do is that you are reading all the way. Then now your reading will grow up slowly. Then in the actual game, even your feeling and reading, all the part will get better. So somebody asked me how I can read better. There is only one way. Just repeat. Repeat is the best method. But why people can't be stronger for their reading part? Because they don't have a repeat. It's not like that you can just see the one time or two times and then you can improve a lot. Just if you repeat many times, then one day, then your feeling will be totally different when you play the actual game. Just like you are reading, you can read what your opponent can't see that. You can dream about that, you can think about it, how it can be fun. Just like you already finished to calculate, but opponent made a reading trouble. Yeah, that's gonna be the happen if you are keep repeating. But make sure it's like we have to study regularly every day. Even if just like I'm showing you how you are going to read, but it doesn't mean I can make you to practice. So now if you see that this kind of a video with me, then now you can learn which area, which angle, how you can read. And even when you are free, then you can practice your with your Life and Death book or Capturing Race book as well. So then I'm exactly sure then your reading will get much stronger. I'm always telling you between 9 dan, 8 dan, 7 dan, they are different parties the reading. Most part is reading, not about just going to the big place and counting the territory. Of course that part can be different as well, but just like the Baduk is called reading. Yeah, remember. Okay, thank you very much everybody for watching my video, and please like and subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye bye.